Joyce, and for today's science experiment, we're going to be using vinegar and baking soda. No, we're not going to be making our volcano, but we're going to be making dancing popcorn. So are you ready? Let's make our popcorns dance.
We're gonna need water, glass, vinegar, baking soda, and popcorn kernels. So first, let's fill the glass halfway with water. Next, pour in the popcorn kernels. Add in about 1/4 cup of vinegar. Nothing happens yet. Let's add in the baking soda. So just a teaspoon of baking soda will create a reaction with the vinegar. Let's take a closer look. Mixing vinegar and baking soda forms a lot of tiny bubbles made of carbon dioxide. We can see the popcorn kernels rise to the surface due to the gases being trapped underneath them. The carbon dioxide bubbles stick to the popcorn kernels and makes it rise or sink. As the popcorn kernels rise, the bubbles pop, making the popcorn go down. When it reaches the bottom, the bubbles will again stick to the popcorn, hence making the popcorn kernels dance. What if we add more vinegar? Wow, that created even more foam than before. Again, let's take a closer look. As we pour the vinegar into the solution, it created more foam and more bubbles. The carbon dioxide rises to the top of the mixture. This creates the bubbles and foam that we can see when we mix baking soda and vinegar. Now we can see the tiny bubbles forming around each popcorn kernel, helping them to rise and to sink down into the solution. Let's watch the popcorn kernels dance.
So this is our first science experiment using vinegar and baking soda. Let's see what else can we do, or what else can we create using those two items. So this is your friend Joyce signing off for now. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!